Hi guys, today is the 6th of October 2013. It is Sunday, so it's around 3:15 already. I woke up really late today, and this kiddo right here is sleepy as well. So I was supposed to head out, but then my mom has to go somewhere, so I'm gonna be stuck at home. Great. Okay lang yan. I don't really have anything to do. I will go to Quezon City Memorial Circle later. Kung makapunta pa ako. I hope makapunta pa ako. Kasi I would really love to go there. I have never been to QCMC for a while now. So, I just wanna go there and just walk around. May event doon, but I'm just gonna walk around. I like walking kasi. So, I'm gonna go there, just do some exercise. Walking, people watching, you know, the stuff. And then go home and edit videos. Yun ang ginagawa ko sa bahay. Parang when I'm at home, I like to just chill. I do clean up, I do like a lot of stuff, but then pag tutulog na lang ako. Or mag-edit na lang ako. So right now I'm just gonna watch some TV. Oh yeah, my mom bought me something. It's not KFC. But I'll show you. This is my dad's favorite fruit. Ta-da! Lanzones! So yeah, my dad actually loves lanzones. That's why I also have gone to love it as well kasi my dad loves it. Pero in picking lanzones, it's a big what they call this? It's a big gamble for me kasi you don't know what is the sweet kind, what is not. But if you guys know, please do let me know on the comment section, okay? Okay, kain muna ako ng lanzones kasi nagugutom na ako. Okay, so lanzones overload. I'm actually using my tripod. I love lanzones, like seriously. Okay. This is how you eat it. You open it, you just pinch it, pinch ba tawag doon? Pinch. And then you open it up, do this.
For some phenomenal apps.
With watching your hair flip.
But how do you really know who you're talking to? Some do it for love, others for
Okay, so you actually just peel it off.
Stories of online romance.
Mahirap siya pag nasa harap ako ng camera, pero when you're just doing it on your own, it's very easy. And the one who's clapping is actually my nana.
Sundays at 10 p.m. on MTV and MTV.
And if it has a seed,
and if you missed it, be sure to catch the replay.
you don't eat the seed. Pag ganito kalaki, you don't eat it. My nana is going crazy again. She's been clapping for like 2 hours ever since I woke up. Nagising ako ng 12, but then I woke up at 12, but then I fell asleep again kasi there's no one's in the room. Like, even my nana was not here. So I was like, sleep again. Yeah. Wala nang bato. See? My nana's going crazy. She has Alzheimer's. My grandmother has Alzheimer's. Sometimes she has this mannerism that when you don't talk to her, she what do you call this? She throws a tantrum, like she curses a lot, saying stuff like that. Sometimes it gets on my nerves, quite honestly, because I don't like people to curse at me. I like to curse, but I don't curse at people. You know, it's a form of expression for me. And when she curses at me, it kind of pisses me off. But then she's my grandmother, and she has Alzheimer's, so I do have to understand her situation. But sometimes I just don't talk to my grandmother. Kasi when I talk to her, she doesn't recognize me anymore. Ang hirap kasi explain ng situation namin. Like, I love my grandmother, but then, because of Alzheimer's, she's very different from the one that I met, the one that raised me. Kasi partly my grandmother raised me. So, alam mo yun, parang there are times na she's calling my name, but then when I tell her that I'm Alice, she's like, no, I'm looking for this little girl, and she's like, you don't see me as me, only the little girl. Alam, my grandmother, Nay, wag yan! She's like touching the cord. Gusto niyo, Nay?
Oo.
Gusto niya?
Ano yan?
Ano sana?
Mamaya, pupukan na lang.
Nay!
Sige, kumain lang kayo. Mauubos hindi ba eh?
Maubos na eh!
Luluto na lang ako.
Nay, nasuna niluluto?
Sige na.
Kaloka ka na ya. I call her nanay.
Ano, di pa yun.
Sometimes lola. Ma'am. She's kinda, if you have like a very small, like a little sister, little brother, or niece or nephew that is super rambunctious, that's her. She kind of turns into a little kid. Which sometimes, nakakainis, kasi she makes noises out of the blue like she's doing now, but then, sometimes, she's just quiet. It comes to being old. Kaya natatakot akong tumanda eh. I'm kind of scared when I grow old. I don't want to be like her. I don't want to have Alzheimer's. So I'm doing every single thing I need to do now. Kasi there are things you can do to what they call this. There are things you can do that will prevent you from having Alzheimer's. I know that. I've read that somewhere. I don't remember where nga lang. But I'll try to find out. So right now, I'm gonna be eating another 5 pieces of these, baby. And then I'm gonna stop. And then I'm gonna continue with some work. I'll talk to you guys in a while. Hey guys! Hey guys! Okay, so I'm gonna be going out. George is so excited. Wait! Pagkintay ka! George is excited because it's not too hot. It's not too hot. It's not too hot outside, so I'm gonna bring her out. So we're gonna go walking. I just hope she behaves. Wait lang! You're an impatient dog, you know that? Impatient siyang aso. Ang impatient mo. Sit! No treat. Sige, no treat. Sit! She's so impatient. Okay, I'll just bring her out. Okay, who's ready to go out? Hi, Dan. Sit. Sit down muna. Sit down. Georgia. Upo. 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 Very good. Very good. Wait lang. Hindi pa ready. Hindi pa ready. Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Georgia. Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Wait. Wait. Ganda lang. Tama lang. Sandali! Uy, camera ko! Diyan! I forgot the camera. Hi guys! Only 2 minutes left of filming time. So it's already 8. I haven't eaten dinner yet. Ang kulit ng mga pamangkin ko. Like, I've been taking care of them the whole afternoon. I'm going to be uploading a video tonight. I don't know. I'm gonna edit tonight and then tomorrow yung upload. I'm gonna be uploading 2 videos every week on my channel. So, better check it out. Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Bilis gawin natin yung ginawa mo kanina. Kapit ka. Look what she's gonna do. She's kapit ka na mahigpit. Pati yan. Tama na, tama na. Tama na. Let's go. Tama na nga. Malis ka na dyan. Tumayo ka dyan. Ay! Oy! Oy! Sira ko ng batang to. Nasisiraan ka na naman ng bite with all the sugar, ah. Tama na. Dinner is egg and rice. Tinatamad ako ngayon. Like, Sunday is usually the laziest day of the week for me. I'm like, I don't cook, I'll talk to my grandmother first. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna be cutting off this vlog with tea. So I'm gonna be signing off. I'm gonna drink tea before I edit, and I'm gonna be uploading 2 videos, one on this channel, one on my beauty channel, so be sure to check that out. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me below and on Facebook. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night from Manila. Mwah.